Hello, my friends! Welcome to the Vet in Dairy Farm channel. Watch this video on how to properly care for cows and how to treat them. Watch the amazing process of milking, feeding, vaccinating, injecting cows and calves. You will also be immersed in the fascinating world of great agricultural machinery and modern technology. Are you enjoying the video? Like the video, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any more interesting videos about the life of a vet on a dairy farm. Thanks for watching. Visit our channel to see more videos.